basically, Deone and I are doing street photography, and we'll let you know how it goes at the end of the day. Okay, so we got our first person. What type of photos are you looking forward to?
Yeah, like she said, somewhere in nature. Just want to see what you guys saw in me.
Okay, we got
nature.
Okay, so we got Deone in the front, and she's taking photos today. I guess we'll upload them, and you'll be able to take a look.
It came out amazing.
How much did she say she'd pay you for that?
50 airtime from Vodacom.
Oh yeah. Okay, good. So there you go. So that's the very first street shoot with Deone. We're gonna do some more, and we'll let you know how it goes.
That was actually, it wasn't a lot of photos, but it was beautiful. Both of them together just gave me inspiration for like a sister type of look, you know?
Okay, all right, I like it. Okay, well, fair enough. We still have a bit of a day. In fact, the very best part. It's 5 p.m. and the sun is going down.
And everyone's starting to come out to play?
Exactly, exactly. Everyone's coming out to play. All right, so we'll let you know how the rest of the day goes. But so far, it's been a successful day of street photography.
Yeah, it was really.
Amazing. Okay, so we're at the end of the day with like having done our first street photography shoot. We had 4 clients. How was it?
Good. I just wish I was being paid more.
Well, you know what? You start where you start. You're comfortable asking for whatever you're comfortable asking for.
Unfortunately, a lot of them didn't have any money with them.
It is what it is. But you know what? I think we did good.
Yeah, we did good.
So we're gonna do more tomorrow with an actual, like, you know what I mean, daylight on Friday, which is a peak day. But yeah, otherwise, did you have fun?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. That's the point.